Hey Tickers, wagwan. How's everything going? You good?
I'm good. What about you?
You know, to be honest, to a good as long as a good me good, you know. Yeah, man. You know, I'm gonna ask you a personal question, though.
Okay, go ahead. What is it?
Oh, you look so hot.
Okay.
You know, so me and you for that straight, though. I know you like it general, and the general like you, know, so I could do the maths now. This is it.
Oh dear. Oh my god. I have to think about it, okay?
Alright, sexy. Don't say nothing more, man. Don't think too much, you know. Just call it a day. Me and you straight, alright?
Okay, bye. See you next time.
Don't worry yourself, Tickers, man. Walk good. All your problems solved right, yes, so yeah. Any issue, just let me know how I'm going to deal with that. Cool?
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Alright, babes. Hey, Tickers, one more thing. The other day, I see you walk with a fat hombre down your road there. Are you a friend?
No, he's not my real friend. He just always pass by and try to talk to me.
Alright. Just watch him still. A young youth. Him live with him parents and things. Still piss in bed and something, but you know, if you're a friend of your friend still, don't go near him because he's too sweet. I mean, I really want to make him frownsy out.
Okay, thanks, bye.
See that? Easy one too. Gallus thing. Just like that. Yeah, I take back a last look. Yeah, girl bumper big, you know. Sorry to go down on the block, yeah, man. She got tired tomorrow, you know. No, she run by my mind the whole night. Yeah, she thick. Night come down fast, see, man. Yeah, what the boy Scalawa going, cause man even shot my back. Yo, Scalawa. You ain't supposed to come link my brother. What you mean at the back of wall? I'm at the back of wall right now. How far would I go in? I'm gonna see you. Yeah, you know, easy in a boy Scalawa. Oh, yeah, screech up, sir.
Yeah, Mosiah, yeah, David. Me have that, you know.
So, I know you're a bad charge, you know. Yeah, man, respect, man, for sort out a little object, yeah, you see it. Cause the whole place a feminine scale, where you know the thing going on.
Something like this I want for broke him up.
You know, so scale, what them a put in your weed, man? Scale, when I tell you to bring a Jordan come, brother. How you go with slippers, brother? Joking? Me blouse and skirt. I'm straight about the color. Yo, Scala, I'm gonna tell us if I bring a Jordan, man. And where you bring the water about the for?
Yeah, me I say, Mosiah. A joke thing you there for an hour.
What kind of joke thing, Scala? I'm serious, man. But yeah, you're rough.
Yeah, me I say, Mosiah. Just let me know when you're serious, man. Know it go already. One phone call. Everything sort out.
Scala, hear me say no forward now.
Look how more Mosiah, man. When you're serious, give me a shout, man. Don't know if you find me already, is it?
Yo. Hear me say no. Yeah, man, Gun Star. Yeah, boy, Scala wanna easy, you know. Where the man get them the thing there from, man? Done went and back the boy voice, me so him a deal with.
Easy, you know. So you know, say, I want you to come link me differently.
When my brother Vice gone on the road, him always go up on Friday night. So I will make you know.
How would they
I just think I would